Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you Big Rock Candy Mountain. It's from our new book, 21 Easy Ukulele Folk Songs. The Big Rock Candy Mountain uses 3 chords. We have a C chord, an F chord, and a G7. The strumming pattern I'm using is down, down, up, down, down, up. There's also melody tab, where the melody will be written out underneath the sheet music lyrics. Because this song kind of goes through a lot of ranges, there are some octave transpositions, but you do get all the notes of the song. And the nice thing about this song is that it stays down in the first 3 frets and open, so you never have to shift and you never have to use your pinky. One evening as the sun went down and the jungle fires were burning, down the tracks gave a hobo humming. And he said, boys, I'm not turning. I'm headed for a land that's far away, beside the crystal fountain. I'll see you all this coming fall at the Big Rock Candy Mountain. In the Big Rock Candy Mountain, there's a land that's fair and bright, where the handouts grow on bushes, and you sleep out every night, where the boxcars all are empty, and the sun shines every day on the birds and the bees and the cigarette trees and the lemonade springs, where the bluebird sings on the Big Rock Candy Mountain. In the Big Rock Candy Mountains, all the cops have wooden legs, and the bulldogs all have rubber teeth, and the hens lay soft-boiled eggs. The farmers' trees are full of fruit, and the barns are full of hay. Oh, I'm bound to go where there ain't no snow, where the rain don't fall and the wind don't blow. On the Big Rock Candy Mountain, on the Big Rock Candy Mountains, you'll never change your socks, and the little streams of alcohol come trickling down the rocks. The brakemen have to tip their hats, and the railroad bulls are blind. There's a lake of stew and of whiskey too. You can paddle all around them in a big canoe in the Big Rock Candy Mountain. Enjoy! If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon, where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.